Rest your head on the ground. Bring the four corners of your feet square. Big toe, little toe, inner heel, outer heel. And then whatever bend that you need in your knees so you're not struggling and you feel your low back is supported, bring your arms up parallel to your legs, palms facing each other, but your shoulder blades underneath you. Dead bug pose. So finding the broadness of your back and breathing into that. Inhale, expand your back with your breath, and then exhale, think of extending the breath up through your arms and your legs, finding a little bit more length in your legs with each exhale, using the foundation of the back on the ground to stretch up from, aiming the heels of the feet up. The legs are usually the more challenging part to lengthen. Arms are easy. Just keep the shoulder blades underneath you so you don't disintegrate. Dead bug pose looks really simple from the outside, but you can feel how you're using your core and how you're finding strength and length in your legs with this. So we've gone back to Ujjayi Pranayama, breathing in and out through the nose, hearing the breath in the throat. And to release out anything in your legs, we're going to go from dead bug to last dance of the dying bug. So let your arms and legs shake out so they're really loose, keeping your back as your foundation on the ground, and laugh as big as you can. Good. All right. Draw your knees back in and hold on to your shins or the backs of your thighs. And notice how you feel. Notice your breath coming back into your breathing. We're adding a sense of humor into this level of practice, recognizing that laughter can be a choice, and it can be a particularly difficult choice to make if you're not feeling like laughing. So initially you might have to fake it, but then notice, even if you fake it, how you feel afterwards. See if you can find where laughing is a nourishing practice for yourself. It will release endorphins, feel-good hormones that help lighten your mood. Namaste.